Hey guys, welcome back to Trunk Monkey Reviews. Today we're going to be working in the wood shop and we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to build a picnic table squirrel feeder. Let's get started with it. Here's the materials I use when building a squirrel table feeder. I top bond 3 wood glue. I glue all my joints. You'll need at least a 3-inch screw to hold the corn cob. Use 3/4 inch staples. I use 1-inch brad nails, and when I'm done building it, I'll actually use a Thompson's water seal or some type of water seal to coat it to make it last. We're getting ready to rip our 2x4. We've set our fence at 3/8 of an inch, and we're gonna make the height adjustment for the 2x4. We wanna go to a blade comes just up above the 2x4, and we're gonna start ripping it now. Now that we have our slats cut, we're going to adjust our fence to 11/16, and we are going to rip these slats that we've already cut. Now that we have all of our wood ripped, each piece should measure be 11/16 by 3/8. Now we'll start cutting them for the tabletop. Okay, we're going to start cutting our tabletops and benches on the chop saw. I've put a stop block in here at 7 inches from the side of the blade, and we'll get started. You'll need a total of 8 pieces. For our braces underneath the tabletop, we'll need 3 pieces, 2 3/4 inches long. For the legs, we'll need 4 of them. I rotated my chop saw to 9 degrees. They need to be 9 degrees on each side. Once you've got all of your wood cut, you should have 10 pieces, 7 inches long for your tabletop benches and supports. You'll have 4 table legs. Each side needs to be cut at 9 degrees. You will have 3 pieces here, which are your table supports. They are 2 3/4 inches. And you'll piece of 1x4 at 7 inches tall. I'll show you how to put it together. Okay, we're getting ready to assemble it. This is a jig I made. These are actually set at 9 degrees. And these lines right here, it's actually 1 inch from the top. These are actually where I put my bench supports. I line them in like this. I always put a little bit of glue where the bench support's gonna go. I put my bench support right here in those lines. I hold it down. Moved a little bit. And I put 1 staple on each side. That's what it looks like. I'll do 1 more. Make sure everything's up tight. Put a staple in. That's what it looks like. We'll move on to the tabletop. For the tabletop, this is another little jig I made. There's 3/8 distance here. So what I do is I take 4 of my long pieces. I'll put these on, hold it together. I use wood glue for my first support. I set it down. And I'll do the same thing with the other side. For my center one, my center support is actually what I put my wood screw through to hold the corn. and I'll put one on each side. And that's what your tabletop looks like. If you have unevenness here, you always take it to the sander, sand them off, make it look nice. So when I go to assemble or add the legs on, I'll put a little bit of glue on the top part here. The crossbar always goes to the inside. That. That's what it looks like. And we'll do the other side. Now we're going to add the benches. That'll be these 4 pieces right here. We'll put this one to the outside. You just kind of eyeball it for evenness across. One brad nail through the seat. We'll add your next one. And we'll do the other side. Got that all set. Wipe off any wood glue that may be coming out. Make it look clean. The next thing we'll do is we're going to add the mounting plate, which is a 1x4 by 7 inches long. I glue it and nail it to the board. I'll lay that down. I put my table legs at the base of it, just like that. I nail it into place. Now we need to put our hole in it for our screw. You want to use a drill bit slightly smaller than the screw you're going to be using to put the corn on. I go about center. And you'll need one more up top to mount it to whatever fixture you want. And then we'll put our screw in. Make sure your hand's out of the way when you're putting it through. And there's your squirrel table feeder. Hey guys, never fear. There's never any waste. If you're not happy with the quality work or something you've made, they always make great kindling. Just pull that screw out, throw it in the fire. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like, share, and subscribe. Talk to you later.